South Africa faces a critical healthcare challenge. Years of underfunding have crippled the public healthcare system. Hospitals are overcrowded and patients face long wait times. Essential medicines are often unavailable. The situation is particularly dire in impoverished communities. Many South Africans cannot afford private healthcare. This leaves them with limited options for quality medical care. The government is under pressure to find solutions. The crisis is not just about funding, it's also about infrastructure and personnel. Many hospitals and clinics are in dire need of repair. There is a severe shortage of doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals. This shortage is exacerbated by the exodus of skilled medical personnel to other countries. They seek better pay and working conditions elsewhere. The situation demands urgent attention. In a gesture of goodwill, China dispatched its hospital ship, the Peace Ark, to South Africa. The ship docked in Cape Town's harbour, a beacon of hope for many. The Peace Ark is a marvel of modern medicine. It boasts advanced medical equipment and a dedicated team of Chinese medical professionals. The ship's arrival was met with great anticipation. It offered a lifeline to South Africans struggling to access adequate healthcare. The Peace Ark's mission was clear: to provide free medical services to those in need. The ship's medical team offered a wide range of services. These included general consultations, dental care, ophthalmology, and even traditional Chinese medicine. The ship's operating rooms were equipped to handle complex surgeries. This provided a much-needed boost to South Africa's strained surgical capacity. The response to the Peace Ark's arrival was overwhelming. Thousands of South Africans lined up for hours, hoping to receive treatment. The ship's medical team worked tirelessly, treating as many patients as possible. The impact was immediate and profound. Patients received critical medical care that they would otherwise not have been able to access. The Peace Ark's presence alleviated some of the pressure on South Africa's public healthcare system. The Peace Ark's mission was not just about providing medical care, it was also about fostering goodwill and strengthening ties between China and South Africa. The ship's visit was widely seen as a success. It highlighted the potential for international cooperation in addressing global health challenges. The Peace Ark's departure left a void, but also a sense of hope. Section 4. Navigating the Future, the NHI Debate. The healthcare crisis in South Africa has sparked intense debate. The government's proposed solution is the National Health Insurance, or NHI scheme. The NHI aims to provide universal healthcare coverage to all South Africans. It would be funded through increased taxes. The NHI has been met with mixed reactions. Supporters argue that it is a necessary step towards achieving healthcare equality. They believe it will ensure that all citizens have access to quality healthcare, regardless of their socio-economic status. Opponents of the NHI have raised concerns about its feasibility and potential impact. They argue that the scheme is too ambitious and expensive. They fear it could lead to further deterioration of the already strained public healthcare system. The debate over the NHI is ongoing. It reflects the complexities of healthcare reform in a country grappling with deep-seated inequalities. Section 5. China's soft power play. China's involvement in South Africa's healthcare sector is not purely altruistic, it is part of a broader strategy to expand its influence in Africa. China has been investing heavily in infrastructure projects across the continent. It has also been providing aid and development assistance. This has earned China considerable goodwill among African nations. The Peace Ark's mission to South Africa was a prime example of China's soft power diplomacy. By providing much-needed medical assistance, China was able to strengthen its relationship with South Africa and enhance its image on the continent. This strategic approach has yielded significant dividends for China, allowing it to secure access to resources and markets in Africa. Section 6. A partnership for health. The Peace Ark's visit to South Africa highlighted the importance of international cooperation in addressing global health challenges. While the ship's presence was temporary, its impact was significant. It provided a glimpse of what can be achieved when nations work together to address shared problems. The challenge for South Africa is to find sustainable solutions to its healthcare crisis. China's involvement in South Africa's healthcare sector is likely to continue. Whether this will translate into long-term benefits for South Africa remains to be seen. One thing is clear: addressing the healthcare needs of its people is crucial for South Africa's future. The world will be watching to see how this unfolds.